Good morning and welcome to the White Paper Launch Southeast Asia Healthcare Innovation for a Stronger Region presented by Pijar Foundation. Please give a round of applause for all of us. Thank you. Kasadira Ferifan Tamzil, the Director of Public Policy from Pijar Foundation, to give a welcoming speech. To Ms. Kasadira, the floor is yours.
So in this presentation today, I would like to give some more context about Pijar Foundation and the Global Future Fellows Program. I would also like to give you some insights about the content of the white paper that we are launching today. And of course, I will end with some practical recommended actions and also policies that perhaps we can consider as we try to build a stronger healthcare system for Southeast Asia, not only to prevent future pandemics, but also to optimize the delivery of our healthcare services across different socioeconomic backgrounds.
Kepada Bapak Profesor Dr. Darmawangsa selaku Wakil Menteri Kesehatan Republik Indonesia telah bergabung bersama kami di acara White Paper Launch Collaborative Action Plan Accelerating Southeast Asia's Preventive Healthcare System.
Teman-teman, saya titipkan transformasi kesehatan yang ke-6 ini untuk bisa dimasukkan ke dalam salah satu bagian di Pijar Foundation untuk dibahas dan diberi masukan kepada kami, sehingga nanti kalau ada buku putih, ada masukan kepada Kementerian Kesehatan, kita sangat most welcome.